In a distant century, a time traveler named Kale uncovers a silent relic that hums with physics before history wakes. He slips into ancient Alexandria during a bustling workshop, teasing a device that sketches gravity and unseen currents. A perilous chase through the library's corridors pits him against rival scholars as a celestial event reshapes the city. By dawn, Kale teases a breakthrough that could fuse steam power with quantum whispers, altering kingdoms and ideas. He lingers long enough to plant a hint for a young Leonardo, sparking a future where art and engineering fuse.